Good evening, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. Doing 3 boxes of 2015 Bowman's Best Baseball for Tom. Good luck, good luck. Oh, you got 2 thickies. Anybody remember what that means? I saw who they are, and I hope one of them's autographed for you. I'll just leave it at that. Or maybe it's a numbered variation. Probably a numbered variation. I don't remember, sorry. But I hope they're autographed, or I hope one of them's autographed. Probably, if there's a variation, it's probably the one in the middle. Here we go. And you want everything, right? Hamilton out of 150. Trout, Benintendi. Bryant, rookie. Well, man, you're off to a start. Walker, Buehler. Crawford. There's a Syndergaard refractor. Cole Tucker. And a Nelson Cruz. Good luck, man. Here we go. Well, he's not big now, but not a bad way to start. Dansby Swanson. #1 draft pick. James Shields, cracked ice. Oh, man. Super Clayton Kershaw. There you go. I knew it was Kershaw when I opened the pack, but I thought it was probably an autograph or some variation. Tom, now you can buy all the rest. Probably can buy that box of definitive. How do you want this shipped? I would personally do it in a top loader, but if you want it in a one touch, just let me know. It won't move in a top loader. Kevin Newman. Man, that was a box. #1 draft pick and a Kershaw Super. Congratulations, man. Where do you want to go next? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Tom, how do you want this shipped again? I think it'll grade pretty decent. 4? Okay. Oh, you want the top one? Okay. Oh, well, yeah, if you don't mind, I'll do that one next. The inners are still sealed, but... Okay. Sorry, I thought you meant that one there. That one will probably have the Devers autograph or something. Or Benintendi. I love this product. It's just opening the boxes. It's, yeah. They just frequently, packs get stuck. In a top loader, it won't move. In a one-touch, the card is gonna move. But I'll put it in a one-touch if you want it in a one-touch. It's however you want it. In one touches, unless the exact same thickness in the shipping, the card will move a little bit up and down. In a top loader, the soft sleeve will it'll only move with the soft sleeve, which means it's not going to move. So, but man, whatever you want. Congratulations. It's all when you hit that kind of when you hit a super, I'll ship it however you want it. Mike Nicorek. Posey and Schwarber. Oops. Mariano Rivera. Nice autograph. And Luis Severino. Buster Posey green. Yeah, we're kind of in the evening now. They're just all odd by your Superfractor, man. Luke Weaver. Bumgardner, ice. Jacob Wilson. Yeah, any super's good. Best pitcher in baseball. All right. Tom, is this box good? Okay. Thanks, man. Hope you get a good autograph out of it. Brian, did you see this? Kershaw Super? Okay. No, not so far. Yeah. I think you better up a little bit. Braden Shipley. Anybody remember the redemptions? I don't. I'm sorry. Another Chris Bryant rookie. Oh no, Bryant is way. I mean, Kershaw is way over 100. I think if you find the right person, probably more than that. I don't know. Dodger fans have deep pockets. Yeah, there are several Dodger fans that have. There's your Benintendi. Now we just need the auto. Kobe Allard at a 150. Frankie Montas. There's a Bryant insert. Dylan Tate. All right, and good luck with the redemption. Here we go. Sorry, I don't remember who these are. 15 Bowman's best. Good luck, Tom. Best of 15. That's good. I know some of these are good. Dixon Machado. Well, Victory hit a Clayton Kershaw Superfractor. Nice 101. Yeah, we're on a roll right now. Tom, do you want any more? The only good autograph so far is Swanson, I think. And, of course, the Kershaw, which is probably, I'm sure, the case hit. So let me know if you want any more. Congratulations again, man. Good luck, Tom. Here we go. Yeah, Victor. Yeah, let's hit you one good one. Well, Swanson was a big hit then. #1 draft pick. But, yeah, I know. Good luck. Cole Hamels green. Kyle Tucker. Brendan Rodgers insert. Kobe Allard. That is 68 of 99 first impressions auto. Well, too much glare. Addison Russell. Aaron Judge, rookie. Well, not rookie, sorry. I think that's the first Bowman's best. Jacob deGrom green. Carson Fulmer. That's a big autograph. And a Fulmer refractor. Mookie Betts. Wilmer Defoe. Now that's one I don't remember. And Miguel Cabrera. See you, Victor. Let me know if anybody wants to do the last box of definitive, or we can do it tomorrow probably. Thank you, Victor. Appreciate it, man. As always. Yeah, last 3 breaks have been great. Tom, any more? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Hey, Victor, if you don't mind, text me later and remind me. I'm happy to do it. I've been at this. I had meetings this morning. I'm going on 10 hours already. And don't worry about texting me. It's okay. Okay. Tom, I am there.